It is a pleasure to welcome our industry expert, Mr. Guru Raj, today. Sir, what is your advice on booking profits in mutual funds? And also, is this the right time to book profits in mutual funds?
Honestly, nobody can answer this question. One is we are thinking it is high. Market can fool us. Right? I'll give a classic example. Right? 2021 market P was 40. Right? Market P was 40, and today the market P is 22. But what we look at is the 20,000 Nifty index. So in terms of earnings, I am at a cheaper level today, not costly. So it is my understanding that it is costly. But when I look at the P level, it is 22, much cheaper than what it was in 2021. Why? Because the companies have started earnings better. So going forward, if the companies earn well, even this level can become cheaper. That's where I will never say that boss, it is costly. Right? That lady asked me in Tirupur. Right? He said 4 lakhs has become 11 lakhs. What should I do? The point here is, I told her, if you want to go and enjoy that profit, you are going on a European tour, please take the money and go and enjoy your European tour. You'll have that satisfaction at least because I spend that profit on a pleasure trip. Right. So the point here is, what is that you want? See, if you say that I want to book profit because I want to do it, then what is that you can do? Either you have to keep that money in a debt fund and then wait for the market correction. We don't know when it. Right? Second possibility is I can go and invest in a different category of equity fund. Yes, but the risk is always there. Right. So the question is what you want. So I don't have an answer for that question. Right. For example, today the investment what I have made in my small cap fund, it is giving me 28 to 29% return. Right now, for my calculation, I should get 12%. So I'm slightly more. The point here is, I don't want this money today. I want it after 10 years. I don't want to touch that money before 10 years. So I will say, why should I? See, the point is, the moment you book, you will pay a long-term or short-term capital gains tax. So the amount comes down. Right? So all these things are there. So the simplest thing I will do is, if I have time for one, I need to be clear why I invested that money. Second is, I have time for that goal. I will not do anything. I will continue. If you are still not convinced with that answer, boss, book profit, keep that money in a debt fund if you want that money to be safe, or invest in another category which is not doing well, so that the risk is less even if the market goes down. So for example, I may move my money from small cap fund to an IT fund today if that is what I want to book the profit. That's what I will do. Yeah.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.